To activate your EBT card in 2025, follow these simple steps. First, ensure you have received your EBT card and all accompanying materials, including your card number, personal identification number, and any other relevant information. Next, locate the phone number provided with your EBT card materials, which is usually a toll-free number. This number is specific to your state or local EBT office. Call this number to initiate the activation process. When you call, you will be prompted to enter your card number and other identifying information. Be prepared to provide your name, date of birth, and possibly your social security number to verify your identity. After verifying your information, you will be asked to create a personal identification number, also known as a PIN. Choose a PIN that is easy for you to remember, but difficult for others to guess. This PIN will be used for all future EBT transactions, so make sure to keep it secure. Once you have created your PIN, your EBT card will be activated, and you can begin using it to make purchases at participating stores. Remember to always keep your EBT card and PIN secure to prevent unauthorized use. It is also important to note that you can activate your EBT card online. If this option is available in your state, check your EBT card materials or visit your state's EBT website for more information on online activation. In addition, you can also visit your local EBT office in person to activate your card. If you prefer, bring all required documents and identification with you to ensure a smooth activation process. Finally, after activating your EBT card, make sure to review your account balance and transaction history regularly to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. You can do this by calling the phone number on the back of your card, visiting your state's EBT website, or using a mobile app. If available, by following these steps, you can easily activate your EBT card and start using it to make purchases and access the benefits you are eligible for. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, and review your account regularly to ensure accurate and efficient use of your EBT benefits.